Hello, my name is Allison Hupfer, and I'm the Anali District Executive for Iliwa Council. This is a how-to video for online rechartering. So what is rechartering? Essentially, it's a snapshot of what your unit's membership will look like on January 1st of the upcoming year. First, open up an Internet Explorer browser. You cannot use any other browser, so you just want to be mindful of that. This is what the online rechartering page will look like. You will need to click on First Time User. Now you will need to locate your charter renewal packet. On your packet on the front side, it'll have your unit's number and your recharter system access code. Now go back to your Internet Rechartering website and enter in the access code, your unit type, and unit number, and click Continue. The next page that'll come up is the confidentiality statement. You need to click on I agree. Now you will have to enter in your information for the registration page. Remember to do a password that you'll remember and an email address that works. In order to recharter, you will go through 5 different stages. All the stages are listed on this page. You can read over them and then click Begin. Now you will need to decide if you're going to use the local council information or if you're going to upload your recharter file. Take note, if you're going to upload your file, you can only use files from Packmaster, Troopmaster, and TroopSoft. I would recommend that you use the local council information. Now you're on step 2. This is where you're going to spend the bulk of your time with this rechartering process. You're going to update your chartered organization's information, select members for renewal, promote members, add new members, update members' data, and update adult positions. At this point, you can click Next Step. You can update your chartered organization's information if you would like. If you don't have to make any changes, click on Next Step. Next, you will see a unit roster. Everyone will be checked at this point when you get to this page. You need to uncheck anyone that is not returning. Once you are done, click Next at the bottom. You will see a roster of everyone in your unit again. You should go through it and make sure everything is correct and then click Next at the bottom. This is where you can promote members. Remember, you can only do this if you have the same chartered organization. If you do not need to promote anyone, click on Next Step. If you would like to add any new adults to your roster, click New Adult. If not, click Next. This is what the next page will look like if you clicked on New Adult. If they're transferring into your unit, check the check mark and answer the information. You need to know the council's number. Next, you will add personal information about the new adult. Once you're done, click Next. Lastly, enter in the business data about the new adult. You can enter in if they're an Eagle Scout and if they would like to receive Boys Life magazine. Then click Save. It will bring you back to this page. Now you can add in any more new adults, or if you're done, click Next. Now you will be adding in new members. If you have a new Scout, click on New Youth. If you do not, click on Next Step. Enter the new Scout's data. Remember to give them a youth program level and then click Next. Enter the rest of the information about the new Scout. Remember to have their birthday and grade level and that they match up. You can also enter in if they will be receiving Boys Life for the upcoming year. Then click Next. Each member needs to be connected to a parent or guardian. So answer the question, is the parent or guardian an adult member in this unit? If no, click No and you will enter some information in. If the parent is involved in the unit, click Yes. If you clicked Yes, this is what the next page will look like. Select the parent and click Save. You will be able to add in all additional Scouts. Once you're done, click Next Step. You will see a full unit roster. You can update information or remove someone from the list. Once you're done, click Next Step. This is the last step in stage 2. You will have a list of all unit adult positions. If any of them are red, you will need to go back and make changes. Once you've gone back and made all your changes, you can come back to this page. Every one of the positions will be in black, and that lets you know that everything is correct, and you can click Next Stage. Now you've made it to stage 3. All you will have to do is click Check Roster. It will say congratulations. Now you can click Next Stage. To view your final roster, you will click on Summary. Now you will see a list of everyone that's in your unit and the fees that are associated with each person. If you need to make changes to any of these fees, click on Update. If you don't have to make any updates, click on Next at the bottom. Congratulations, you're at the final stage now. All you have to do is click the checkbox and click Submit to Council. Make sure you do this when you are completely done, because you will not be able to go back in and make any changes after this point. You will need to print off all Recharter paperwork. All you need to do now is get the appropriate signatures on the annual charter agreement and the final version of the Recharter paperwork. Here are a few helpful tips before you turn in all the paperwork to Council. Thank you for listening. If you need more information, contact your district executive or your district commissioner.